potato pumpkin pilaf or black pepper potato pumpkin rice puff or black pepper potato pumpkin rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pumpkin recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most delicious of the pepper recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice powder recipes. Ingredients are around 100 grams of pumpkin cut into pieces, 1 onion cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger, 15 grams of garlic, 1 tomato cut into pieces, and around 100 grams of potato cut into pieces, and a spoon of pepper, black pepper. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the ginger, now put in a spoon of fennel seeds, salt, pardon, now put in the onion pieces. Celery cartons. Now put in the garlic, salt that in, salt the garlic that in. in the tomato pieces. Saute the tomato pieces together with the onion, garlic. Thoroughly chop mix. And saute. Salt and crush the tomatoes. Now put in the pumpkin pieces. Salt the pumpkin pieces. Keep on sauteing. Put in the black pepper powder, salt, thoroughly salt. Put in the potato pieces. Put in salt to taste. Salt and mix. Potato and pumpkin together with the salt, black pepper and the other ingredients. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly. Pour in 100 ml of water. Mix thoroughly. Put in a spoon of fenugreek seeds. Mix and let the mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 8 to 10 minutes. Pour in 2 cups of water. put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let the mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 12 minutes. Now the pepper, potato, pumpkin pilaf is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper, potato, pumpkin pilaf or black pepper, potato, pumpkin rice bowl or black pepper, potato, pumpkin rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pilaf recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the pumpkin recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the black pepper recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.